This one is definitely tricky. Okay, I have an idea, but still, I have an idea of how to knock it off. But the thing is, that doesn't solve the problem that I predict of. Whoops. Which is of wait. So yeah, so I gotta do this first. Yeah, see, this right here lets me knock it off. Check it out, it's gonna knock off now. The problem is, how do I only need one actually. Oh shoot, I only need one. One will knock it off. Okay, now. Okay, before I knock it off, I have to put one of these things up here. Ah, shit. I only have one chance. Okay, so I need to knock it off. Knock it off, dude. And then that's what I want to do, but because I only have this, to somehow get this up here, grab my belongings, and push it in. But I'm on a crumbling brick, so I can't get off of this stool that I'm on. I can't get off of this brick that I'm on because it'll crumble, and then I can't do what I gotta do. So, wow, so another puzzle. 2 in a row. Now, I don't think this is gonna work. Nope. I need to be holding my... Oh, derp. I get it. I just do this. Okay, I can put it up here. Now I can do it. That was awesome. That was a sweet-ass problem. That was a really cool problem.